4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Merhaven, moving north at 10 miles an hour.
Ow.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moore Haven, Ortona, and Lake Hikoki. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Glades and Henry.
Of course, they missed it.